Hey friends, I just wanted to send a quick little video out so that I could just you could hear a little bit of my heart and why it is also that I started digital marketing, the vision God gave me and how he's using this and how he is asking me to bless others. So when I first heard this program of Legacy Builders, it was a no-brainer for me because with 100% profit and I could do it in the pockets of my day, it made complete sense for what I was doing in my season of life where I was going to start homeschooling my kids. I started doing that at the end of August. And I needed a solution that was going to work around my busy schedule and that I could still be present with my kids and my family and I get to bring in an income. So those were all huge wins for me. And what God was showing me through this is that he wants to use this digital marketing opportunity as a way for me to earn, get out of debt, and then bless people beyond what I could even imagine. My dream is to just start giving. Like I have a heart to just give. And I know that he's going to bless that because he knows that that's the will that I have for this. And it's not about me anymore. Yes, I of course desire a paycheck every single day. If I were to get $900 daily pay, that would be amazing. But really it comes down to teaching and equipping other women with the tools that they have already possessed inside of them because God has given them to them. And so you, my friend, are receiving this message. I pray that you are blessed. I pray that God uses you, that you are his instrument, and that you are open to what all he has for you on this day and going forward. So my friends, I love you so much. Reply to this, ask any questions that you have, and I want to absolutely do my best to answer them. But I love you so much. Stay tuned, and I'll talk to you soon.